Welcome to MqlrobotEAs. In this video, we're introducing the Heiken Ashi BB TPSL EA, built entirely without coding using FXdreema. This expert advisor is designed to trade using Heiken Ashi candlesticks in combination with Bollinger Bands, aiming to identify potential breakout or reversal points based on candle color and band proximity. Strategy logic. Overview. The EA checks for trade entry conditions based on the following. Buy condition. When we detect a red Heiken Ashi bar followed by a white bar, and both recent opens are below the lower Bollinger Band levels, a buy signal is triggered. Sell condition. The logic is reversed. A white bar followed by a red bar, with opens above the upper Bollinger Band, leads to a sell signal. Each trade is executed once per bar to avoid overtrading. Key configurable inputs: lot size and stop loss, take profit, maximum buy and sell orders. Bollinger Band settings: period, shift, and deviation RSI filter settings for added precision. These variables let traders fine-tune the EA to suit different market conditions. Important reminder: before using this EA in a live trading environment, it's crucial to understand the underlying strategy, evaluate the associated risks, and always backtest using 99.9% tick data. No matter how promising a strategy looks, proper testing and risk management remain essential. This EA was created using FXdreema, a powerful drag-and-drop platform that allows traders to automate strategies without writing a single line of code. If you're interested in building your own robots with no coding required, stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MqlrobotEAs for more EA builds, tutorials, and real-world trading strategies. Thanks for watching. Download the EA or explore more at Mqlrobot.com. See you in the next build.